Rice guys, narito ako ngayon sa Grand Centennial Homes. Nakita niyo naman ang mga gandang bahay dito guys, oh. Ayan, ang ganda, no? So ito yung mga sample houses na mayroon dito sa Antel. Ayan siya. So ito po, binili nila lot lang siya, pero tingnan mo yung bahay nila, ang ganda. Ayan. So para ka rin sa abroad pag dito ka nakatira sa Antel, Grand Village or Grand Centennial Homes or in Anyana. So dito sa Grand Centennial Homes, mayroon pa tayo dito mga lots for sale. 185 square meters, 206 square meters, dalawang corner lot, isang 129, 139 square meters corner lot. Apat yung corner lots ko na available na anytime pwede po siyang i-reserve. And of course, meron pa tayong dalawang 96 square meters na magkatabi at 15,000 per month. Yung sa isang 96 square meters. So dito mahigpit ang security kasi maraming mga roving guards. Ito ang ganda bahay guys, oh. Look at this. Ganda, oh. Yan, oh, nice. Alright, so if you wish tumingin pa ng property dito sa Antel, Grand Village or Grand Centennial Homes or Anyana, so message lang po kayo, then bibigyan namin kayo ng computation. Kung gusto mo existing lots, we have. Kung gusto mo pre-selling lots, we have residential lot, we have commercial lot, and we have house and lot package. Alright, each either. Alright, so once again, my name is Ray Miliada. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Alright, our location is in Tanza, Cavite. Alright, the Tanza, Cavite po is nandito sa town proper. And then this is the ongoing construction ng SM. Then this is the existing McDonald. Then this is the existing Pure Gold. And dito po, andito po yung portion ng munisipyo. Then itong portion na ito yung public market ng Tanza. The project is walking distance or 3 minutes or 5 minutes away going to the town proper. And of course, mayroon tayong bypass road from the Robinsons Mall. This Robinsons Mall is existing na siya and this dotted white, no? Ito po is ongoing construction siya ngayon na bypass road. So this yellow line is the National Highway going to Nasugbu, Batangas, then going to Tanza Tresa Road. But our project po ay nasa town proper lang po siya. So itong yellow line naman na to going to the Antero Soriano Highway, then Kawit, and then Cavitex, Island Cove going to Coastal and Manila area na siya. So ang purpose na Cavite Laguna Expressway is dito po sa Kawit, ditong mga dotted line na yan siya. So this is the Cavite Laguna Expressway. And we have two project mo po, no? This is the Antel Grand Village located boundary of Kawit and General Trias. And then ang maganda nito, this is already almost sold out, but mayroon tayong bagong pre-selling project. If you wish na dito sa Antel Grand Village, pwede rin po dito ang Paris, Tokyo, New York Model House. And then also dito sa Anyana, pwede rin po ang Tokyo, Paris, and lahat ng ating mga design na bahay. Okay?